everyone, good afternoon. Come with me, Aida, and this is me. I just arrived at home from campus because we have a subject for cross culture understanding. We just cooking class for today, and we make teriyaki chicken from Japan. Oh my gosh, it's making me very tired and hot weather here. Yeah, I don't go to my friend's house because she's sick, but because I can go. 'Cause I have something to do and so far, and my motorcycle, my uncle borrow my motorcycle, so that's why I can't go to Ketejer village. Yeah, and I'm so sorry for my friend because I can't go to Ketejer village today. Look at this. This is very feminine outfit for me, I think. I don't know, but very feminine, guys. My God. Look at this. The sunny day is very hot here. Makes me feel tired, and I can't. I really need to drink water. So many water for today. Yeah. I mean, I really need this. This is just a song from Lombok, Sasak language. It's very a more different language from Indonesian language, right? Yeah, I know. Yeah, tomorrow maybe we have to open um poetry. I don't know, cause lecturer still sick, maybe sick. Look at this, guys. Today I just say to my friend I can't go, and they accepted me to not following them. Yeah, I really can't go, but I really wanted to see my friend because he's really sick today. So I wanna go. Guys, let's back again. We have teriyaki sauce today. Is more delicious. Oh my gosh, because we make the ingredient this from tomato sauce, chili sauce, and some ketchup. Teriyaki. I mean teriyaki sauce. Yeah, that's why I make more yummy, and onion and garlic. We make a matcha drink, but I'm not really like matcha drinks. Why I not drink this matcha, guys? Yeah, I'm not really like a matcha, like coffee or what else. Yeah, I'm really not want drink matcha. Sure, don't want to drink matcha for matcha latte, or maybe one day I'm gonna try if someone really force me to try matcha. Yeah, but it's not now, guys. Oh my gosh, this sound, guys. Don't hear. Just hear my speak English today. Yeah, so sorry. Okay, you can see this. I just wear this. Again, my friend today told me I'm so very feminine outfit. I'm so shocked. Yeah, cause I know. Yes, it's the first time I'm look like so feminine for feminine outfit. So yeah, I just for my excitement, guys. It's not about anyone else. Something else. Yes. Be calm. Be calm. Be calm. Exactly which again. See. This is Pasmina, my Pasmina from, you know, the name of this. Wow. Don't listen. Don't listen this song, guys. Just listen me, okay? Don't distract, guys. Please, please, please. What is that? I just want to change this song to Ariana Grande, because I'm really like Ariana Grande song and Bruno Mars. Yeah, I can move this song for my block. It's not made for this block. And this, my mom keep playing this song, guys. I'm so sorry. What is so long to make a video until 5-10 minutes? I think it's so long time, guys. So long time. My gosh. ballpoint. Comfortable because we just eat teriyaki chicken. My friend said, "Why will I can't go?" It really annoyed to me because I'm not going to Katajar village today. But I just say sorry, I can't go. Then I'm immediately to going home. Yes, I think I'm so tired from 7 o'clock until 1 p.m. Look at this glass, my black glass again. This is most I really like. Maybe I want a collection to some guys again after this. I don't really like to collection about glasses. When I have a clear glass, I think it's really more make me. This is my outfit and my soul. Yeah, because when you wear outfit, yeah, this is people can look your personality and your soul. So when you wanna choose about outfit, just match with your personality, and this one I just hear this song, guys. Really, I can't lie to you. What is? Oh guys, oh my gosh, okay guys, how about your day? Yeah, why you can when it ask me about everything you want. So this is my actor. Oh my gosh, why this is my nose? It's very not good here. Maybe I will have my period because I'm not period this month. Yeah, guys, you just fun. Why I say that because when we going to a period and then we have like acne like this. Yes, just for a girl. Every girl like this sometimes. So I say that. I'm so pretty sleepy, guys. Maybe I can't to uh, like rest for this day. I'm going to sleep. I just waiting for this to end. So thank you for you guys to watch my video for today, for this afternoon. See you next night video again with me, Ida. Yeah.